Hello guys, hey, what's up everyone? So it's your boy Yashvia. If you're new to this channel guys, I would like you to kill more than smash the subscribe button right about now. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna create an electric text, okay, on Adobe After Effects 2020. So as you can see, I'm gonna launch Adobe After Effects and I'm gonna guide you all from scratch. Alright, so once your Adobe starts up, so you're gonna click new composition. Okay, you're gonna click new project and you're gonna click new composition, and here just call this Saber. Okay, make sure it is 1920 by 1080p. Okay, and for the color background, this does not matter. Okay, you can just leave that to black like this. Here you're gonna create a new solid composition. Okay, so we're gonna call this as well as Saber, and as for the color, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so far all you got is to go to your effects and presets, and if you haven't installed Saber guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the video description that will take you to the download and install Saber. Okay, so you're gonna effects and presets, here you're gonna search for Saber, and all you gotta do is drag and drop this onto your composition here. Okay, so as soon as you drag and drop, it's gonna look like this. Okay, all right, next you're gonna click on text, and here you can write any text, such as I'm gonna stick with this Yashvia. Okay, and you wanna align the text using the align text here. Okay, you can choose this to align it in the center. Alright, so after you've done this, the next step, make sure that you select your text here. Okay, and then you're gonna go to layer and you're gonna go to auto trace. Just hit OK here, and it's gonna make your text like this. So the original text here, you can either unhide it or just delete it. Okay, we don't need that. Alright, so here on the Saber here. Okay, alright, now for the Saber, for the auto trace. Okay, in the auto trace, you're gonna uncollapse this. Okay, you're gonna uncollapse the mask as well, and then you're gonna select from the mask 1 to mask 11. Okay, while holding you're gonna select the first one and then press shift on your keyboard, then scroll down and select the mask 11. So this is gonna it's gonna copy all of them, it's gonna select all of them. All you gotta do is to press Ctrl+C, and then on your click on the Saber and press Ctrl+V. Okay, this will make this like this. Okay, here next what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna go into your render settings. Okay, and then the composite settings, you want to change this from black to transparent. Okay, all right, okay, and then next you want to move to your customize core, and then you want to change this into layer mask. All right, so far so good. All right, so it should look like this. And now you have the following presets. Okay, so if you'd like to, if I choose burning here, it's gonna look something like this. Okay, all right, like this. So you can choose fire, you can work with electric as well. Okay, it's gonna make your text look something like this. Okay, all right, so what I would like to work with kryptonite, let's see. Right, ghost burner, this one as well seems right cool. Alright, so the glow intensity, you can reduce it or you can increase it as well. Okay, the glow spread, and the core size as well, you can choose something like this. Okay, oops, that's not good. So just reduce. Alright, so far so good. If you're happy with what we have created so far, okay, you can change the color as well from green, red. Alright, and if you would like to use neon, or is neon, something like this. Okay, so yeah, don't worry, you must unhide this, okay, your text. All right, and next go to Saber, and now it's gonna look something like this. Okay, all right, so far so good. All right, next, if you want to set an offset, okay, so you're gonna go to the end offset, you're gonna click this, you're gonna change this to 0, and then just move it something like this, and then change the end offset to 100. Alright, next, once you click play, it should look like this. Alright, now if you'd like to add audio files, so you're gonna click project, you're gonna click you're gonna go to file, import file, and then you're gonna import your audio. Okay, you're gonna drag and drop your audio down here, and then you're gonna pre-compose that audio. Okay, move all attributes into new composition and select this, adjust the duration. Okay, next gonna look like this. Okay, it's much better now. Alright, the next step is you're gonna render this. Okay, so before you're gonna render it, so we are going to our add to render. Okay, composition settings, and here you can see, okay, so far but before we render it, make sure it is transparent. So you're gonna toggle this transparency grid. Okay, why do we need to make it transparent? Because when we render it, okay, so it's gonna produce a transparent, and then you can add it onto any of your video editor. Okay, you can add it anywhere. All right, so next you're gonna click composition, and then pre-render. Okay, here you're gonna choose the best settings, custom AVI, or I don't know, anything. Okay, so you're gonna choose the location. I'm just gonna save it onto my videos, hit saved, and once you're ready, just click that render button. Okay, it's a render button here like this, and as you can see, it's gonna start previewing. Okay, so all you have is to wait for it, guys. Okay, so this is how you create a cool electric text. If you want to add what if you don't want to just create electric text, okay, but you can do as well for your logos as well. Okay, so all you have is to replace that text with any logo. Okay, so it's the same step. You're gonna go to file, and then import file. You're gonna import your logo, and you're gonna replace it with that text. All right, okay, guys, so I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and yeah, you should find your output too. Okay, I've saved it onto my videos. Okay, so if you want, you can save it onto your desktop as well. Okay, so far so good, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question, leave me a comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer your problems. If anything, like how to clear cache, how to clear your Adobe After Effects cache. Sometimes when you open Adobe After Effects, it does not preview this. Okay, it does not preview like this, the composition panel. Okay, so I'm also gonna help you how you're gonna preview this composition okay settings here. Okay, the layer panel. Alright, so yeah guys, so as you can see, it's really fast. Okay, it's rendering really fast, estimated remaining over 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, and it all depends on your PC RAM as well. So I have 16 gigs of memory RAM. Okay, random memory. Okay, 16 memory RAM, so that's why it's a little faster for me. Okay, so if you have 8 GB of RAM, so it's gonna be double this estimated time here for you. All right, so yeah, thanks for watching guys. Your boy Ashway Gaming, and I'm signing out. Peace.